Well, greetings from the sales floor of Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota. Boy, I'll tell you what, we're going to talk about a car today that made heads turn in 1969, and it's going to make them even turn more today. Tell you the details in a minute. Well, greetings from the sales floor of Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota, the home to close to 100 classic and collectible cars, ranging everything from old Cadillacs to what we have here today, one of Ford's real true muscle cars in 1969, the Cobra 428 Cobra Jet. I'll tell you, this is an incredibly beautiful car, along with all of our other cars that you can see at www.ellingsonmotorcars.com. You'll see all the latest, greatest additions, some of our specials, and new arrivals. Take a look. I'm sure you're going to find something there that you'll like. But I'll tell you what, this happens to be one of the most stellar examples we have ever had for a 1969 Ford product. Just because 69 is kind of in the peak of all the muscle car, performance-orientated stuff. And the 428 Cobra Jet was one of the king dogs on the world right at that time. At the drag strips, on the streets, whatever, when you seen one of these things coming with that hood scoop, you knew that they meant business when it said 428. And this is one special car. It is by far one of the nicest, cleanest cars we've had in many, many years. The restoration on this car is impeccable. Its original color, of course, bright red, resale red, probably one of the best color combos in the world with the black guts inside. But the engine what's under this hood made this so special. Make sure to watch this entire video from start to finish, the walk around, the startup or whatever, and then take a look at the underside. We'll put a picture of that right now. You will not believe how impeccable the underside of this car is. But yes, it starts with a 428. It's been modified to a degree. It's we believe to be the original 428 motor. It has a 2.4 setup on it, believe it or not, from a 427 low riser intake with a cool air cleaner that says 428 right on it. Power steering, power brakes as well. Many of these muscle cars didn't have that, but this one happens to have those two really nice features. But yeah, you take a look at this car. My favorite things that when I was a kid, they had the Cobra. I remember there were Hot Wheels that touted that little design or whatever. And that lets you know that this car meant business. If you pulled up alongside this guy at a stoplight, seeing that 428, you knew this was something. Then you look on the inside, and it's got the 4-speed top loader transmission as well. So this car with a 391 gears, positive traction rear end, this was one stout machine to say the least. But again, beautiful, beautiful paint all the way around. You can find all of our stuff on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram as well. We'd appreciate it if you give us a like, leave us a comment, or subscribe, because we really have interesting stories. Lots of cars we've had, cars and trucks that we've had over the years that will find yourself some entertainment if you're searching the internet or whatever. But like I said, you look at the interior on this car, it is just in the spot where the clock was, which is really slick. If you're a drag race guy, I always thought that was a good thing, better than having it mounted on the steering column. That was just much, much better. And again, like I said, 4-speed, got a few extra accessory gauges, oil pressure, and things of that sort, so you can keep tabs on what the motor is doing, because this is one stout machine. It really, really runs out strong. Of course, dual exhaust, the SportsRoof line here, the fake vents on the side here. Radial tires, of course, makes all these cars so much better for handling and drivability. I love the chrome factory type wheels with the beauty rings and small hubcaps. Just really is neat. And again, if you look at the back of you got the thing that says Cobra on it again. So if you're looking for that muscle car, I tell you, we've got one stellar one right here that we've never had one probably this nice in the 29 years that I've been here. And my last name's Ellingson, so that's why it's here. It's just really one of those cars. I used to race against these guys. You can come and visit in person if you want to take a look at it. We have it. We're open Monday through Friday from 10 until 5. We're even open on Saturday 10 to 4. Come on down, take a look. We've got a beauty right here.